There is a secret in our nature. Every tree, breeze, and drop of water gives us life. Now it's our time to return the favor to them. Speak kindly to the earth. Act consciously. Live with gratitude towards nature. This affirmation will help us to do this. To have a gratitude to our nature. Let's say this. Nature breathes life into me, and I give back through care, gratitude, and protection. Nature breathes life into me, and I give back through care, gratitude, and protection. Nature breathes life into me, and I give back through care, gratitude, and protection.